I have wanted to start a YouTube channel for quite a while. I finally settled on a course of action and started one. My name is Holly.
A while ago, I sold Pembroke Welsh Corgi Christmas cards on both eBay and Etsy, and this is the original design that got me going. And I really enjoyed the process. Every year I would design a new card, and we would sell them on those two platforms. Got another one here. It's something I would like to start doing again. So I thought that having a YouTube channel would let me document the process as I got my feet back under me again. So I've had 3 different corgis. Grover, Lily, and Maggie, and they're all completely different, each one of them. I believe the card that I started off with was Maggie. She was my second corgi.
This channel is not going to be just about Christmas cards. I work in a variety of different mediums, and I want to be able to share my process on each one of them. I've learned so much over the years from other artists who were willing to share about their art, and I would just like to be able to give a little back and do the same.
I just picked up a new color this week. It's called Iridescent Copper by Dr. Martens. So I'm going to be experimenting with that this week.